Okay guys, my pie is done. It looks so beautiful and I am so excited to pull it out and show it to you guys here. And perfectly done. Oops, I'm just gonna pull off my tin foil on the corners. And here I have my beautiful apple pie. If you guys can see it bubbling and gooing out the top. I have some brown sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle it on the top. And I'm going to serve this. We're doing a holiday lunch tomorrow for our office staff. So I am going to serve this tasty apple pie. And I have to say it did a really good job. You can see I still have a flame. Those are 2 small logs, and with that you're easily able to bake a pie in the Teba Cookstove without burning it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish that you could smell this sweet apple pie, and better yet, have a taste because it is delicious. Alright.